So this brand is
very well known already.
Yes, very well known and it's trademark as F&B.
Okay, I see. Okay. Hi, Evelyn here from F&B Equipment. Can you briefly introduce yourself and your role in Robot Coupe?
Hello, hi Evelyn. My name is 𝗘𝗵𝗲𝗀𝗀. I'm an area manager for Robot Coupe Malaysia.
Okay, so hereby we do have some of the questions we want to interview you by represent Robot Coupe.
Sure.
Okay, so first the question is, what is one innovation from Robot Coupe that you are most excited to share at FHM?
Okay, we have one kitchen blender, we call it BL series.
Is it new?
Yes, it's a new product launching. We launched it during FHM. It's a must-have product in the kitchen.
Oh, okay, I see. So moving to the next question, why should visitor make sure to visit Robot Coupe here to see all the equipment?
Okay, now Malaysia have some of the event, F&B event, the most big one. FHM is the most big one for Robot Coupe to highlight for our product, especially product launching like we have now.
Oh, okay. So sorry, I do have a few more questions. Some more. Okay, so Robot Coupe actually is known as a chef best friend. So why do so many of the chefs trust Robot Coupe about this brand?
Okay, this is a very good and interesting question. Okay, Robot Coupe has been around most of 60 years already.
Oh, okay.
So the brand already in the kitchen and hotel and all industry involving F&B. So this brand is
like very well known already.
Yes, very well known and it's trademark as F&B.
Okay, I see. Okay, so for the next one, what is your favorite Robot Coupe features, like most important features, like have to features to all the visitor or the customer about all the range?
Yeah, the features that Robot Coupe have is most important is a food safety. It's a time-consuming, it's a cleaning, it's a safety purpose of preparation. I mean, that is the most important things that we need to have during preparation of the food.
Oh, I see. Okay, then moving to the next one. Why do professional kitchen around the world trust Robot Coupe?
Okay, Robot Coupe is started in France. France created a culinary scene. So most of the chefs look at France. Robot Coupe product is a culinary product that must have in the kitchen.
Oh, okay. All right. Today, I think that's all for today. Thank you, Mr. 𝗘𝗵𝗲𝗀𝗀, for the answer.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. All right.